This is a 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Jailbreak, one of the last true muscle cars standing. For 807 horsepower from a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, Hemi V8 at that, 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds, loud, apologetic, and built for chaos. It starts at $87,000, but let's say you've got a 500 credit score with a subprime financing around 13% APR. Your car payment could hit $1,650 a month. Add in $350 for insurance, and you're at $2,000 per month, every month. Look, that's $2,000 a month, $24,000 a year. Over 5 years, that's $120,000. Over 7 years, that's $168,000 just to drive this car. Now let's talk value. After 5 years, the Hellcat would be worth around $40,000 to $45,000. After 7, you're looking at closer $30,000 to $35,000, depending on mileage and condition. And I'm assuming y'all are not just going to let it sit in your garage and just sit there. So you're going to drive it. Your depreciation is going to be around $50,000 in that 5 to 7 year range. But here's the flip. What if you invested either double the $2,000 amount, like I have in my last video, and you invest $2,000 into that vehicle and then $2,000 into an index fund or real estate or stocks, a basket of stocks. In a broad index fund or averaging around 7 to 10% returns, that same $2,000 a month could grow to $145,000, $190,000 in 5 years, or $250,000 to $325,000 in 7 years. All right, so versus your Challenger to investment portfolio, let's look at this. So your $35,000 car or $300,000 net worth. One makes noise, the other builds freedom. All right, so a fast car may be fun, but we also all like fast money. Or, wisely enough, investing money to build money so you could just pay for that car outright. That's power too, Choose wisely. Subscribe, comment, like for more car content versus money breakdowns coming soon. Thank y'all.